Welcome to the Floravale, a private condominium located away from the hustle and bustle of central town living, where life here literally takes a step backwards, so you can slow down your pace and enjoy the goodness of a holiday-like lifestyle. Hello everyone, I am Mark Lim of OrangeTee AAG division, and thanks for watching my video. I'm really excited to share with you this awesome apartment which meets most people's requirements when they look for a property. That is, high floor, bright and windy, unblocked view, no direct sun, etc. etc. But before we look at the apartment, let's look at what the Floravale offers us in terms of a holiday-like lifestyle.
The Floravale comes with full condo facilities to keep your leisure time fully occupied. The main swimming pool is 50 meters in length, which is great if you want to do laps. The children's pool comes with a water slide, which is the love of children as well as adults. Can't keep the little ones still? How about bring them to the playground? There are 2 tennis courts and a court for basketball and soccer. These are just some of the facilities at the Floravale. There are actually many more. With so much to do to occupy your leisure time, every day can be a holiday indeed. Now, let's move on to see the apartment. Standing at 1,324 square feet or 123 square meters, this 3-bedroom unit layout is one of its kind. Unlike most other condominiums where you have either a walkway to the bedrooms or a dumbbell layout, our unit has a L-shaped living and dining, separating the two, giving you well-defined space. There's also a planter box if you like to go green. As you can see, next to the kitchen we have a yard and a good-sized utility room. You can make the latter your helper's room, and she even have her own bathroom. If that's the case, fret not, because you still have a small storeroom. Master bedroom is huge, where you can fit a king-size bed and still have space for 2 bedside tables, or even an extra single bed. Both common bedrooms are big too, and will fit a double bed with ease. Having seen the facilities and the units, let's take a look at the amenities. Here at the Floravale, you will never be far away from amenities. Just across the street, we have the Gateway Shopping Centre, where you can get all your daily essentials. Walk a short distance away, you will find Sheng Siong Supermarket as well as a food court. Take a 5 minutes drive to NTU, and here you will find more choices of food. Jurong Point Shopping Centre, Jurong West Public Library, Boon Lay MRT Station and the bus interchange are all just a short distance away too. Come 2027, residents will enjoy greater convenience when the Gateway MRT station of the Jurong Regional Line becomes operational. Last but not least, schools like One World International School, West Grove Primary School, Westwood Primary School and Corporation Primary School are all within a short walk away too.
I hope you like what you see today. If you do, scan this QR code to text me via WhatsApp so I can arrange a viewing for you in person.